$350. If this is your budget for building your next gaming PC and you want a PC that can run games like Fortnite, Valorant, GTA 5 along with other modern games with decent settings, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be recommending you the best components that you should consider for your next PC build, and will also help you understand why you should avoid buying pre-built PCs from the market currently. Let's get started. Now for the processor, we are choosing the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This one cost around $127. The reason for choosing this processor is, as you can see, it has more than 8,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon and currently the best value for money budget CPU in this price. Now this processor comes with a clock speed of 3.9 GHz, which will boost up to 4.4 when needed, and this speed is good enough for general day-to-day usage and also for gaming. And this processor also have 6 core and 12 thread, which will help you in productive level workloads like video editing. And the best part of this processor is this processor comes with a powerful integrated graphics called AMD Radeon Vega 7 graphics. Now of course it won't give you the performance similar to a dedicated GPU, but it will give you enough power to run modern games at 1080p resolution with low to medium settings depending on which games you are playing. Then for the motherboard, we are choosing the ASRock B550M HDV motherboard. This one cost around $7,200. Now reason for choosing this motherboard is we are building a budget PC and we need to avoid expensive components and look for the products that offer the best value for money. Now in this motherboard with $72, you are getting exactly that. It has 2 RAM slots which will support dual channel memory configuration. It has a PCIe Gen 3 SSD support where you will be able to connect high speed NVMe SSD, and also as this is a B550M series motherboard, this motherboard supports overclocking, so you will be also able to overclock your CPUs, and all of this only under $72. So this motherboard is a bang for buck. Then for the RAM, we are choosing the G-Skill Ripjo V series 2x8 total 16GB RAM. They cost around $52, and reason for choosing those RAMs are G-Skill is a very premium brand for RAM, and the Ripjo series is well known for their performance and reliability. Also this RAMs comes with a very high quality heatsink which will help those RAMs to stay cool after a long time of usage and also prevent them from getting overheated. And finally, as you are using 2 sticks of the same RAM, they will be running at a dual channel configuration, and just like we all know, this dual channel configuration helps extract the best performance from those APU based builds. Then for the SSD, we are choosing the Crucial P3 500GB PCIe Gen 3 SSD. This one cost around $40, and reason for choosing this SSD is for only under $40 you are getting a 500GB SSD which has an excellent 3000 to 3005 Mbps read write speed, and this lightning fast speed will help your PC boot faster, your games load faster, your software load faster, and overall this SSD will give you a super fast experience from your PC. Then for the power supply, we are choosing the Cooler Master 450W 80 plus white certified power supply. This one cost around $30, and reason for choosing this power supply is as our CPU is only 65W TDP and doesn't consume a lot of power, so this basic 450W is more than enough for this build. But if you have a plan to upgrade to a dedicated graphics card later, then I recommend you to spend some extra cash and get a gold certified power supply instead. And finally for the casing, we are choosing the Roswell Spectra D180X casing. This one cost around $50, and it has 4 pre-installed fans, 3 in the front for air intake and 1 in the back for exhaust, and it has a mesh front so you will get better airflow. But keep that in mind, casing is completely up to you. It doesn't affect the performance that much, so choose whatever you want. And now if you add all those components together, they will cost around $368, and with no doubt this build will offer the best performance for this budget. Now do remember, at the beginning of the video I warned you about buying pre-built PCs from the market. Let me show you pre-built from Amazon. This pre-built PC cost around $600 and offers less performance than the one that I just recently built. As you can see, it has 8GB less RAM than us with everything else quite the same, so you can build the same exact PC with 8GB more RAM with only $368. So now you decide which one is best for you. Thanks for watching.